Yo, quick update. So I'm at $20,333. I'm down $1,400. Earned dividends is at 255. It is currently Thursday or Friday, technically 1:28 in the morning. So for in a few hours, these trades will be going through. I'm buying some ABR. VICI Properties, Nike, Code, Visa, Tesla, MPW, Stag, Low, Apple, O, and PG. Apple, I'm adding around 142. Lowe's, I'm adding around 188. And Visa, around 178. Just dollar cost averaging here. Because, yeah, the market is down. I'm down currently right now. Still adding 200 every week. I got $94 of buying power. And yeah, just getting ready for next week as well. If it's red, I'll be adding more. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update. Just getting kind of more, a little bit aggressive here. Because I did have like 800 buying power last week. So yeah, right now that's dipping. Just adding more aggressively, slowly. And yeah, I'll probably be upping my weekly deposits as well, as the market drops a bit more. But yeah, just week by week. That's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for next week on my buys.